Hello, my name's Lorraine. I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. And the topic of today's video is live forever, 3 ways. Only if you've got quality of life though to live forever in a vibrant way. So the first way that I would say live forever is your mindset. I'm really into your mindset because I do believe that ageing is due to negativity and not due to the deterioration over time. Yes, admitted, there is some deterioration over time, but if you notice the people around you, the ones that are positive are the ones that look really young. That's because you release hormones from your mind into your body that, regenerate your cells. So that is science, you can't get away from that. I mean, I know the majority of people crack jokes about age, don't they? I mean, I've heard it a lot lately. They crack jokes. They say, "Oh, I'm getting old now. My back's hurting." Loads of stuff all the time. I'm hearing it all the time. Even on the television yesterday, this man was cracking jokes about his age, and it was quite funny. But you've got to change your mindset about what people think. You've got to think, I am young. I'm getting younger. That is my belief. I'm ageless. How do you do that though if you feel like you're getting older? Because I did get a message on my YouTube channel a little while ago now, and I apologise for not answering her question earlier. She said, "How do I stay positive as I get older?" And this is what I'm answering here. So you've got to change your mindset. And when people start talking about their age, they say, "Oh, it's my age, I'm getting older." You mentally say to yourself, it might be true for you, but it's not for me. If you want to, you can voice your opinions, but it's going to be a hard job, I think, changing the majority. You've just got to get the mindset of being young. Choose positivity over negativity, which is what this channel is about as well. But you've got to get it ingrained in you because it is all around you. You're going to end up in a home. You're going to have dementia. It's everywhere. And on the television, there's all about funeral, when you die, and about funeral costs. It's everywhere. So you've got to take the initiative and change your mindset around that. So that is number 1. Change your mindset to positive about ageing. So number 2 is you can use affirmations about ageing, and you will have to do it a lot to change your subconscious mind. I actually created a little while ago now. It's called Affirm Oil, and it's oil that I rub into my face every single night, and it's made up of age defying and wrinkle defying aromatherapy oils. Because I am a qualified aromatherapist, and I've got a list of all these affirmations that I say as I'm putting on the oil. And because I'm doing it at night, it gets ingrained into my subconscious mind. So I'm putting this oil on, this Affirm oil that I've created myself, and I'm saying I'm getting younger and younger every day. I'm in the age reversing process. I am beautiful inside and out. You choose an affirmation that resonates with you. But you don't need the Affirm oil to do the affirmations. But if you're interested in a bottle of my magic Affirm oil, give me a message in the link in the comments below and I can send you some. It's quite a reasonable price. Anyway, so use affirmations and, ingrain it into your subconscious. You don't have to listen to the masses. You can think of a way of, when people start talking about ageing, of dealing with it yourself. Because lately I'm mixing with people that, are of that age group, and they all have this age mentality. But I just sort of smile and I don't agree with them. I just keep stum. I just keep stum. But if I felt like voicing my opinion, I would, but it's not worth it. You've got, because they'll try and persuade you into their way of thinking. That's never going to happen. Not for me anyway. It's not going to happen for you either. So number 3 in your road to living forever and longevity, living a quality life, is start getting out and doing the practical things that are going to make you young. And I think you know what they are, don't you? You know, drinking plenty of water because that makes your skin all clear and nice. And exercising every day, just 5-10 minutes walking outside, eating healthily, get your five in a day, 5 fruit and veg in a day. And just do the 80-20. You can't do it all the time. And I'll admit that I try mostly in the week to do that, but then at weekends I'll have a little bit of alcohol and have some cereal bars or things like that. But I mainly eat healthily, and I exercise every day and drink plenty of water. And so you've got your mind in a youthful mindset. No, sorry, you've got your body into a youthful way of living, and then your mind as well. And then you're sending a clear message to the universe that you are young. You're not going to get ill and old and get dementia as the years go by. You're going to get younger and more vibrant and more active and more positive. And that is the way to youth. That is the way to youth. You don't have to buy all these expensive creams and everything. I would say the one thing above anything is your mindset. You've got to change your mindset around aging. And then once you've got it clear in your mind, that's how you'll live. And people will say, oh, you look young. People are always saying I look young. I mean, I am a nana. I'm not going to reveal my age. That's one thing I do. I don't reveal my age. If people ask my age, I say, you should never ask a lady her age or whether her jewels are real. You know, you can make a joke out of it. We could say, well, I'm over 18. Crack a joke. You don't have to tell people how old you are, because then they start judging you and commenting on you. You know, so you've got to have all these little tricks up your sleeve. You can live forever. I'm going to live forever. I've already decided I'm going to live forever. I'm going to live at least to 120, and I'm going to inspire people to do the same, but healthily. I'm not going to be old as I get older. I'm going to get younger. Get younger. It could be the same for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and it's inspired you to, take on these tips. If you did enjoy it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Blessings to you, my friends. Much love and namaste.